Let's change the color of your text in CapCut PC right now. First, open your project and drag your text clip down into the timeline. Left-click directly on that text clip to select it, so a white box appears around it. Now, move your eyes over to the top right corner of your screen where the adjustment panel lives. Make sure you're in the Text tab, then look right under the Basic settings. Scroll down to where it says Color and left-click on the small color square to open up your options. You have a few different paths you can take here. The fastest way is to left-click on any of the preset color circles you see right in front of you. If you have a specific brand color, you can click inside the hex code box and type in your exact number. In my case, I prefer using the color picker tool. Left-click that eyedropper icon, move your mouse anywhere on your preview screen, and click to grab that exact color. Now, that goes both ways for customization. The important thing is you can also color individual letters instead of the whole block. To do this, look at the text box in that same right side panel, highlight just one specific word with your mouse, and change the color for that selection. The catch here is that once you style words individually, applying a global text style later might reset your custom choices, so do this step last. When you are happy with the look, just click anywhere outside the panel to lock it in. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.